Ladybugs are beneficial buddies to have around. In spring and summer, you can find them on plants in the garden, munching away on their favorite foods. They help protect our crops from plant-eating insects, such as aphids and mites. Did you know that ladybugs are actually beetles, not bugs? They are also called lady beetles or ladybird beetles. You probably know the red and black ladybug, but there are actually ladybugs that are yellow, black, pink, orange, and brown. In the fall, they have to find a protected place, such as under leaves, rocks, and buildings to stay during the winter. When ladybugs overwinter, they cuddle together to keep each other safe and warm. So when you see a little ladybug, know that you have a little friend.
Hi, I'm Luna the Magical Pup.
Have a fantastical day!